What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a how I lay my wig video. The wig that is featured in this video is by UWIGS. I got it from AliExpress. This is not sponsored or anything. I bought this one because I seen a girl buy it from TikTok and I was like, oh, this gotta be capped, so let me get it. And she was like, I was so good and all that stuff, so I was like, okay, let me get it. I will say though, the customer service for this wig was bomb. The lady that helped me with this wig, she was bomb. It came in like 4 days or 3 days. I don't really lay wigs like that. Like, I lay wigs okay, but I'm just gonna be laying this wig down and recording it to see how it goes. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment any video suggestions and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so first I'm going to be putting on the wig cap. I just snapped it on my face, and I'm going to be taking some Got2b glue spray and spraying it around the hairline of the wig cap because I am going to be doing the bald cap method. Now I'm taking a blow dryer and blow drying the glue, well, the Got2b glue spray on the cap of the hairline. Now I'm going to be cutting the wig cap to the hairline with the Got2b spray. If you have hair scissors, I really recommend using that or those razor things because this was really a struggle for me to cut it with these like home scissors. Once I'm done cutting, I'm going to be taking some Fit Me powder to try and make the bald cap like the color of my skin tone or the color of my scalp because it was way too light. So this is the wig. I'm not going to be using the curls. I'm actually going to be straightening it. You'll see it later in the video. But when I put the wig on, it was a little snug because my head is pretty big. But if you have a normal size head, you won't have any problems with it. Now I'm just placing the lace. As you can see, there's some like wig cap showing because the wig was like pretty small for my head, but all I had to do is just pull it up and hide the wig cap. This is me with a side part. I was debating if I wanted a middle part or a side part. I ended up going with the side part, so you'll see that I'll use the side part in the video. Now I added some wig glue. You can use any wig glue, and I'm blow drying it to where I want the wig to stop. Once I got the wig where I wanted, I'm going to be cutting off the excess lace. Again, if you have hair scissors, use those because I struggled again to cut the lace with these like home scissors. Now I'm taking some alcohol and removing any excess glue that is on my forehead from the Got2b and the wig glue. Now I'm getting ready to straighten the wig, but you'll see later in the video that I actually don't use this flat iron because it didn't work well. I'm also taking some concealer to put on the part because it was kind of just too light, and it just didn't look like a part, so I kind of just used some concealer to enhance the color of the part. Once I'm done, you'll see that I'm going to section off some part to try and flat iron it, but like I said, I won't be using the flat iron throughout this video. You can see, like, once it lets go, it's still curly, and I promise y'all it was on. But yeah, this is me just over it, and I'm gonna be using this other hair straightener that works really well. I'm putting it on the setting 410. This is just it going down. It also comes with gloves to stop it from burning your hand. Now, as you can see, I'm using it on this one section. You'll see throughout that I just get lazy and just stop doing the one sections. Once I'm done straightening it, I cut the ends because they were just looking brittle, I guess you can kind of say, and split. So I cut the ends. I didn't go in the highest setting of the straightener, so that's why the hair isn't bone straight. But this is me trying to figure out if I like it or not, talking to myself. Y'all do it.
Crazy.
Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video and the end of how the wig came out. I feel like the wig handled everything pretty well. Like I said, this is an AliExpress wig, so it's not going to be like the bombest wig ever. But I feel like for the price that I paid for it, isn't too bad at all. I'll definitely link in the description box this wig below. As you saw, I cut the ends and I straightened it because I just didn't like the way the curls looked. And the ends were kind of like split, and I just didn't like the way the ends looked, so I did cut the ends. The color is brighter than what it is in the picture, but I feel like the color just still goes well with my skin tone. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.